Hello everyone. In this tutorial I'll show you how to open key lock without key. The first method and the famous one is lock picking. This is the classic and most widely used technique often employed by locksmiths. Just insert a tension wrench into the bottom part of the keyhole, apply gentle pressure in the direction of the key would turn. While holding the pressure, insert the rake and jiggle or scrub back and forth across the pins. Continue until the lock clicks and opens. The second method is drilling. If its time is critical or the lock is damaged, drilling may be your only options. Just place the drill bit just above the keyhole where the pins are located. Drill slowly and steadily through the lock pins. There are usually 5 to 6, and once pins are destroyed, insert a flathead screwdriver and turn to unlock. And finally, the third method is using a knife. This only works on simple spring locks like those found in bathroom doors or not high-security deadbolts. Just insert the butter knife or flathead screwdriver into the flat keyhole and twist slightly left and right while applying pressure. For push-button locks, you may just need to press it with the knife. And that's it, guys. Just paper clips can be shaped into a tension wrench and pick in a pinch. Also, coins or bobby pins also work for very simple locks, and if you locked out regularly, consider upgrading to a smart lock or keypad system. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.